The prevalence of variable valve timing, or VVT technology, in vehicles is steadily increasing. As older vehicles equipped with VVT reach 15 to 20 years of age, they are creating a growing market for VVT-related service and repairs with standard and Blue Streak parts. First, let's take a look at how and why VVT components fail. There are a number of reasons, including poor OE designs and oiling issues. Many OE VVT solenoids have known flaws that lead to a premature failure. Additionally, low oil levels or even using the incorrect viscosity can cause premature wear or failure, and even small impurities can clog the system's passages and valves, leading to reduced oil flow. The heart of the variable valve timing system includes two primary components, solenoids and sprockets, sometimes called cam phasers or actuators. These components work together to ensure the valves open and close at the precise times needed for optimal engine performance. VVT systems also rely on other parts like crankshaft and camshaft position sensors. These sensors provide real-time data that the system uses to make precise adjustments and gauge the health of the phaser and oil control solenoids. The oil control solenoid has a higher failure rate compared to other components in the VVT system. The type of replacement part you recommend for your customer will go a long way toward determining their engine's performance. Consider parts from Standard and Blue Streak. These components are manufactured at Standard's state-of-the-art IATF 16949 certified facility in Białystok, Poland, and include multiple improvements over the original designs. By overseeing the entire manufacturing process, Standard ensures consistent, high-quality results. That commitment to precision engineering and manufacturing is demonstrated in Blue Streak VVT solenoids like this one, which features a close valve body design that supports the spring and keeps it intact even after millions of valve actuations. In comparison, OE and competitor solenoids use press rings for spring support that can fall apart over time. In addition, they feature a welded steel oil screen that's much more durable and less likely to separate from the body or clog than the OE and competitors, which often use plastic that fails to hold the screen to the body. Plus, they include a lubrication groove on the armature to enhance durability, where aftermarket competitors do not. Proper oil control is essential for maintaining the integrity of the VVT system and preventing premature wear. The internal shaft of this Blue Streak VVT solenoid is made from high-strength steel, ensuring long-term reliability and performance as opposed to the low-cost supplier's use of plastic or the OE's aluminum internal shafts. This ensures consistent performance and reliability you can trust. Rigorous testing ensures that Standard's VVT components meet the highest standards of quality and durability. The tests include extensive measurement and life testing, along with a thorough range of environmental assessments including thermal shock, thermal cycling, salt spray, vibration, storage, and dirty oil tests. Standard's components are also evaluated on vehicles at its testing center in Texas to verify their fit and performance. This meticulous testing process ensures Standard's VVT components deliver exceptional performance and reliability in real-world conditions. Standard and Blue Streak offer a comprehensive line of variable valve timing components, including oil control valves, sprockets, solenoid kits, and complete service VVT kits. Standard and Blue Streak solenoids are equipped with high-quality O-rings and gaskets to prevent oil leaks, and they also include an OE matching harness connector. Sprockets cover almost 300 SKUs in the expanding VVT component lines of Standard and Blue Streak. With over 650 part numbers in total, you shouldn't have any trouble finding the exact component needed for any VVT repair. Variable valve timing is an essential technology for modern engines, balancing performance and efficiency. When it comes to VVT components, deciding on the right parts can make all the difference. Choose precision engineered solutions from Standard and Blue Streak to ensure your customer's engine runs at its best.